Transference Healing Mystery School has changed me because the techniques that you learn, the healing techniques, the tools, the meditations, the ancient wisdoms and practices, they're very refined. I didn't know what I was coming to when I came, but they bring things into sharper and clearer focus so that messages from spirit and connecting into your higher self are just brought into clarity and focus. That it is a very personal journey. It's something not to be taken lightly. That they should really look deep into themselves. They should go into stillness and really see if that's for them. Connecting more to spirit and becoming more of a vessel. Really, that's what I have been about. I'm a huge advocate of being of service to people. And this has really given me the tools and empowered me to do that through strengthening my faith and trust. Transference Healing Mystery School has changed my life. And if they were open to that, it might change theirs too.
I am certainly a seeker of truth and have been looking for what's beyond for a long time.
Yeah.
I feel during the time of being here that my creativity has blossomed, and I've been writing every day. The idea of being isolated in such a beautiful location. I love the sea, I love the sun, being out in the elements, and to have the two things, that plus being in the classroom with Alexis Cartwright, was pretty special.
Yeah, so this mystery school has really helped me to shift my reality and break through a lot of the self-illusion that I had within myself that I know affects my external reality. Yeah. The mystery school has given me a space where I can make incredible changes within myself, made possible by the incredible information that Alexis has channeled and teaches within the mystery school. Well, I would recommend the mystery school to everyone, just because, yeah, the information provided and what is taught is life-changing, to put it plainly.
I would say, and I have to be honest, you know, this journey isn't for the faint-hearted. It hurts on all levels, but on the other side, you're able to live your life as you truly are, instead of within this illusion. You'll help to support your family and friends. You help to support the earth and, you know, hold the space for other people coming up behind you. So if it isn't just enough to do it for yourself, think about your family, your friends, society, the earth. Because when you work on yourself, you're working on everyone else at the same time.